Welcome to another episode of Something About Santa Fe. I'm Francesco. Alongside my partner Noelia, we'll be doing this video today of the new bowling alley. It is called The Alley. It is in the DeVargas Center. We're going to be meeting with the owner, Joey, and he'll be telling us a little bit about it, and you'll get to see what it's all about and to come daily. Hello again, welcome to another episode of Something About Santa Fe. Today we are here with Joey at the amazing new bowling alley that we have here in town called The Alley.
Yes.
Is that correct? Yes.
The Alley.
The Alley. So we're going to interview with Joey a little bit, talk about this wonderful place that you're going to definitely need to come down and check out. So we'll start right away. And Joey, welcome to Something About Santa Fe. And
thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course, of course. So tell us a little bit about the alley, Joey.
Well, it's not just a bowling alley, it's part of it, but we have billiards, we have shuffleboard, we have bocce ball, and we have darts as well, and a full bar.
Awesome, awesome.
And wonderful food.
Yes, yes, definitely food. So, and located where? Where are we located?
We're located at the DeVargas Center. It's on Paseo del Peralta.
Mm-hmm. And then what was it previous to being a multi-sport complex, but bowling alley as well, of course? What was it before?
This was 3 spaces before. One space was an old gym, and then the second was a huge space for travelers market, and then there was a smaller space that was a massage therapist.
Nice.
And so we've took 3 spaces, gutted it out, turned it all into one big space.
And why did you do this? What possessed you to come out here and make a place like this?
Because I would say because my wife and I have an entrepreneur's itch, most of all. But really the idea came from was my wife and I, we were going up to Vail, Colorado, and we stopped at a bowling alley there, and that's what inspired us to do this here. And we were talking about being tired of going up to Albuquerque to go do something fun. So we thought, you know what? This is perfect. I want to be able to bowl and have a beer and hang out with my kids.
Your open hours are roughly when?
Roughly about 10 o'clock in the morning to about midnight.
Midnight. And that's 7 days a week?
No, the 2 days that are midnight is Friday, Saturday. All the other days are up until 11.
Okay, perfect. So
Yeah.
great schedule there so you can make it fit into your,
and
your
seven,
busy life.
And 7 days a week open on holidays.
Open on holidays?
That's right.
No holidays closed?
No holidays closed. We're open all the time.
Holy smokes. If you get bored on Christmas, come on down. Okay, so also a question for you, Joey. Why Santa Fe? What brought you here? Why do this in Santa Fe? What's the story there?
Well, Hannah and I are both natives here. I grew up in Espanola, 30 minutes north of here, and Hannah grew up in El Dorado. So we were born and raised here. So we remember when the old bowling alley was there, and we picked a bowling alley because we need one here. We need some place to come and bowl and have a good time.
Bring the family, the kids.
Family and the kids.
So everybody can enjoy.
Exactly. All inclusive for everybody.
And then anything you want to tell the viewers about this wonderful facility?
There's a lot to do in this facility. It's not just bowling, like I said. There's bocce, there's darts, and it's a great place just to people watch. You know, my dad likes to come and just sit down and watch people have a good time.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's what it's all about. People, you got to get out and live.
That's
and
right.
Santa Fe's got a lot going on where you can go out and live and enjoy this place.
That's right.
Right, so also, what makes this different, Joey, than another bowling alley that you've typically been to as a person?
It's very different. So we offer amazing food here. Even paella is on the menu. We have sandwiches. We have all sorts of things that are not typically in a bowling alley. And so it's really an upscale boutique type bowling alley.
And what brought, when you say paella, and what brought that here to the bowling alley? I mean, what type of influence?
Well, you know, I wanted to go to a place where you can have family fun and actually have good food as well, not just the typical bowling alley food where you would kind of be forced into eating it. So
hot dogs.
Yeah, hot dogs, pizza, all that kind of stuff. So we wanted to take it to the next level and have food where people will come and actually just want to have dinner and lunch.
Nice. So this is kind of like a boutique bowling alley.
It is.
Awesome,
Correct.
Awesome, okay. And then the items that you have here, not just bowling, you've got what, 12 lanes, I believe, behind
We got
us?
12 lanes, we got 6 billiards, we got 2 shuffleboards, we have an arcade, and we have 3 dartboards.
All right. Well, thank you, Joey,
Hey.
again for your time and,
Thank you.
and introducing us to this wonderful place that you've created here in the DeVargas Center. And we're excited to go bowling.
Yeah, come out and see us.
We will, definitely. Thank you again, everyone, for joining us here on another episode of Something About Santa Fe. I'm Francesco, your host. We're here at the Alley in the DeVargas Center. What an incredible experience, a great place. You'll have a lot of fun down here. Bring your friends and family, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Something About Santa Fe.